In this week's episode of Financial Fridayz, we'll share with you an investment opportunity for you to consider when striving for your goal. What am I talking about? US Equities. Stay with me. I'm Denise Marshall-Miller. US equities or stocks are companies that are listed on the exchanges in the United States. Some of these exchanges, or predominantly these exchanges, are Dow Jones, S&P, and the NASDAQ. There are several advantages in investing in US equities, such as diversification. Investing in the US equities market gives you diversification outside of Jamaica. That's geographic diversification, and it helps you to tap in the global space. Secondly, you're able to hedge against inflation and also the depreciation of the local currency. And most importantly, equities are known to boost your portfolio, giving you that return over the medium to long term. So when you invest in US equities, you're getting that global exposure, diversification outside of the borders of Jamaica. You're able to hedge against inflation and also hedge against the depreciation of your local currency. And most importantly, US equities give a boost to your portfolio. However, there are disadvantages in investing in US equities, such as volatility. What is volatility essentially? It's swings in the market. Take, for example, you buying Disney stock today at $200, the following day it's at $180, but it could get to $300 the following week. One must understand that when investing in US equities, you ought to take a long-term approach. Another disadvantage of investing in US equities is that it's time consuming. It requires a lot of research. It means dedication in understanding the companies that you're buying into. And finally, you could lose your investments. However, I will share with you strategies that you could use to mitigate this risk. At VM Wealth, we're here to give you the strategies that you need to navigate the market. Our team of research analysts are here analyzing these companies, giving you the recommendation when to buy, when to sell, or just to hold at a particular time. If at any time you need guidance in executing a trade or just have a general question, we're here for you. We promise to be responsive and attentive to your needs. Are you ready to start investing in US equities? Well, if you are, this is the mind frame that you ought to be in. First, you need to be increasing your knowledge base. That is, understanding what you're investing in, the companies that you hold in your portfolio. How do they earn so that it translates to the stock price increasing? 2, you need to take a long-term outlook when you are investing. Stocks give you the reward that you're looking for, but it's over a period of time. Lastly, and most importantly, is budget. Within your budget, you need to separate investment from savings. US equities would fall in the investment portion of your budget, while in the savings portion, you will have your short to medium term goals. Why is this important? A perfect example is COVID-19. At the onset of the virus, many persons sold stocks of superior value for low prices. If it is that you had your investment allocated for a long-term approach, you would not have eroded that particular investment by selling. What you would actually do is to look to pick up additional stocks or to expand your portfolio at the low prices that these stocks have fallen off to. At the same time, you would tap into your savings to get you through this pandemic. I'm encouraging you to use this opportunity to build your portfolio in US equities. Whenever there's a crisis, there's always opportunities. Use this pandemic to your advantage. Start picking up those high value stocks that have been sold off to very low prices that are dubbed recovery stock. Start your recovery portfolio now. Give us a call at Victoria Mutual Wealth Management. We're here to assist you. You may contact us at 876-960-5003 or wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com. I'm Denise Marshall-Miller. You have been watching Financial Fridays.